What justice means to me is being fair and both individuals having a fair opportunity, and having their case heard, particularly in the criminal court. And that's what I would do as a judge. I've sat on the prosecution side. I've been on the criminal defense side. I have sat as a judge, and so I understand how to be fair from all of these different angles. I've also worked to make sure that the courts were fair for defendants. One of my defendants over in domestic relations, we thought that his due process rights were violated over in the domestic relations court. And my client filed a complaint, but I filed some motions and some appeals, and we were successful in getting him out of jail when he was placed in jail without notice and hearing. His due process rights were violated, and I think that judge was sanctioned for about 3 months, if I'm not mistaken, over in domestic relations court. But we filed these motions and we got him out of jail. Filed habeas corpus motions, appealed his cases to make sure that the law was fair in his particular case. And these are the type of things that I will continue to do as a circuit court judge, and make sure things are fair for defendants and due process is followed.
Sure. I've had a lifelong commitment to civil rights and the justice system. I mean, this isn't something that I picked up after just starting practicing law. This is something that was in my heart and in my family's heart. And that's important to me. I think where we come from and what our family did, it says what our commitment is to the community and what we'll do as individuals. I've talked to a number of attorneys and judges who have been practicing a long time, and having a certain number of capital murder cases in your belt is not a requirement to be a judge. I don't think it tells who you will be. What's important is that you'll follow the law and that you'll represent the rights of everyone. As someone who's been a civil rights attorney, I know how to look out for constitutional rights and constitutional issues that will come up. I don't think that that's an issue at all. I majored in criminal justice. I have a sound legal intellectual mind that I've worked on in terms of writing and research and being able to handle things. And I've also represented indigent clients. I've represented folks for free in terms of with Project Homeless, and neighborhood leaders who have had situations and been threatened to be evicted for things they've done. I've done stuff like that for free, and I think that shows who you are and what you'll do going forward. I mean, anybody can sit as a judge, and neither of us have had trial experience on a capital murder case. My opponent and I have been practicing about the same amount of time, and I think that what we've done throughout our life and what's in our heart and what's in our mind, I think that matters more than one particular case.